Here we are, just attending this toilet. A very common thing here is obviously something's been leaking here whenever it's flushed. There's water on the floor, as you can tell by the shape. That's been leaking a while. So there's obviously a drip mark on that flush pipe there. Been leaking on there a while. This has been happening for quite some time, but the water seems to be from around here. I don't know if that's just, no, it's actually quite dry. It just looks wet, but I'm guessing it's this rubber here that's failed and not this, but that's quite damp as well. So, well, we'll get it out. We're going to swap it out for a one of these bad boys. I know this one's a flush valve, but yeah, this one's the same as the ladies next door then, it kind of matches. Someone's already been to swap that one, so it looks like for like if we do. But yeah, I think we'll get that swapped and we'll show you a new thing that we do recently, because I had nothing but trouble recently with something in plumbing, but yeah, we shall see what happens. So also removing this fucking monstrosity of shit, and that might be what's leaking. I'll fucking wash the wrong side. So here we go, this is what it is. A bit of Plumbers, mate, that I found seems to help with these clear rubber flush cones. Are nothing but struggle sometimes. Sometimes they've been fine, for years. But now and again, they'll just weep. They're nothing bad. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. Especially when it's winter and they're really hard. The rubber, it's not even rubber, it's like plastic, seems to go a bit hard. And it doesn't really seal, it kind of weeps. So I find just to put in a little thin bit of this Plumber's Mate round just creates that extra seal around it. So all I do is I roll it into a sausage and then just pushing it round the inside of these fins, one on the back edge and then one on the middle edge, and then not too much because you will struggle to get it in then, but then slide it onto the pipe first and then push it into your flush valve and then into the back of the toilet. And then once that's done, you'll see that there's a little bit of excess that you can peel off, and I just find that helps a little bit. I don't use Plumbers Mate, this is literally the only thing I use it for, and it's been good so far. As you can see, just push it on there first, then into the back of the toilet. And that's my little tip that I find that has just helped me. So as you can see here, just at the back, you can see it just squidges out a bit, just creates that extra seal. So just push it in and just peel that off. I hope this helps someone, and have a good day.